No, this actually brings me to the next question. My next question is: I found the sets of parallel processes and concepts that you trace between science and theology, the sort of dyads, you know, theoretical creativity, Christology from below and above, quark theory, humanity, and divinity, phase transitions, miracles, relationality, holism, etc. I mean, I found that fascinating and fresh and exciting. These homologies clearly do exist, but are you afraid of being thought to argue by analogy? No. Which, of course, philosophers don't like.
Well, theologians are less reluctant about analogy. I mean, after all, that was, Aquinas sort of
yes.
Analogies is a very important, analogia fidei, a very important part of theological thinking.
Yes.
The point is when we have to talk about entities which have properties which are not part of our common sense experience of the world, we have to make use of some sort of analogy to get some sort of grip on it.
And of course, analogies may lead to true similarities and true identities.
It may do, and of course, when you're thinking about analogies, the interesting things are not only the things in common, but also the differences. You have, analogy is not obviously an equation in that sense. So I think, theology has a much more difficult task than science. I mean, physical science has mathematics as a very precise and, it turns out, extraordinarily effective language in which to talk about its issues. We don't have a corresponding intellectual clarity how to speak about the infinite reality of God.
Well, perhaps the Greeks did, I don't know. Because all these things were defined in Greek, weren't they? In the early centuries. But we don't speak Greek.
Well, no, I mean, theologians, of course, learn Greek and know how to use it. But you have no ideas of unthinkingly transmittable from one regime to another. You have to decide where the analogies work and where the analogies fail.
Yeah.